we get a lot of questions about water pooling underneath the condenser. This is normal behavior both in summer and winter. During the summer months, you have ice-cold refrigerant flowing through the copper tubing that's inside of your condenser. That, mixed with a hot day, will create condensation. Condensation will weep out the bottom of the condensing unit. During the wintertime, you'll see water pooling up at the condenser, and this is a direct result of the system going through a defrost cycle. As the system thaws out the ice, the water runs down naturally. If you have any other questions or concerns about water pooling up at the condenser, or any other HVAC related question, feel free to give us a call at McGowan's Heating and Air.